What's going on, average entrepreneur family? And today's topic is going to be, can you start your clothing line? Can you start your clothing brand with print on demand companies? All right, entrepreneur fam. So the first item that we have up from our print on demand company is a pair of men's boxer shorts that has my logo printed all over the garment. And they didn't print it on the middle portion here of the underwear, but you can see it to the right and to the left. And it really came out well. It's a cotton based garment, 100% cotton. So I'm really happy with that. And as you can see, as I turn it over, the print came out really well on the opposite side of the underwear. And as you can see, that's pretty much all over the underwear, and it's a very good look. I'm very happy with the stitching. They also was able to print the logo in the inside of the garment, and here you have the washing tag. And I'm very sorry, it is actually 95% polyester. So this came out really well. This is an option for you if you're looking to start your print on demand business where you don't want to put up a lot of money, but the print on demand is just what it says. It's print on demand, so your customers can go to your website, they can click on an item like this, they can pay for it, buy it, and the company will print it as your customers order it. So this is a very good cost-effective way, I would say, as far as the print on demand company and an item such as this underwear. The only thing that I will probably be a little leery of, this actually was made in Mexico, so it took a little longer to come, probably a week and a half. So if you feel like your customers is going to be lenient with you or patient with you with the time in which the orders will show up, once again, this is a very cost-effective way, and it's going to help your company out greatly, and you don't have to put a lot of upfront money. So the second item that we have is a gator mask. It's a face covering. This is a cotton face covering. It's a little long though. You can see the sewing seam down the middle on the opposite side. You should be able to see my logo a little bit in this. This is a camouflage print. They have different prints that you can choose from, but you can see it, but you have to be like really close up on it. It doesn't really stand out with this green coloring with the black logo. Nevertheless, it's a very good face covering that you can use. I've used this several times already, and I wear it to the gym. It's very breathable. So your customer should like this item because it's going to be a breathable face covering that they can wear. It's not going to restrict their breathing by no means at all. And they're going to be in guidance with CDC guidelines going forward in these crazy times that we're in now. So once again, this is a camouflage gator mask, aka a face covering. It's a very good product to have currently right now in your roster. And once again, this is print on demand, so you'll be able to post this on your website, post this on whatever platform you use, Facebook Market, whatever you use, eBay, whatever you use to sell your items. You'll be able to post this. You'll be able to have your customers go, click on it, place the order. You send the order out, and it's print on demand. Once again, this item didn't take as long to come. I would say probably 7 business days. So this one is a little bit on par with regular shipping from, competitor companies where it's going to ship out fast. So 7 business days, this garment here should be done. And once again, it's a good product to start with. You don't put out any startup money at all. Initially, I have to go through that in another video, but for the most part, you don't have to put up any money. This is a garment that's print on demand. Basically, your customer is paying for it, and then you get the leftover money from the cost of what it costs to print this. So last but not least, what you have here is a small backpack print on demand. As you can see, the logo came out really well in the top portion, and it could come out as good as I can expect it to be. The quality of the book bag is very good. It's not a flimsy book bag. It's a a medium weighted book bag. It's going to last, and you can see the logo here on the top portion, very centered, came out well, and you see the bottom portion, and this bottom portion actually has the logo on the inside, if you can see that. So that was a very neat feature to add to the backpack. And this is a pretty good pocket size, for this type of bag. Now at the top, I don't know if you can see it, but we was able to put the Charm City over the top of the bag, which was another neat item. Once again, that is a option that the website Print on Demand will give you. So we put Charm City there over the top. You can see that the back of the book bag is padded. There's also another small pocket here. However, this one doesn't have the logo on the inside, but it's just almost like a waterproof pocket that you can use. And there's a slot for like a laptop or a notebook, and just a regular opening there. So all in all, man, if you're looking to start your brand with little startup money and with little on-hand product, meaning you have to store your product, print on demand is actually a very good way to go. I've showed you some examples of some items where I was very impressed with the quality and the craftsmanship of the items, and you always want to sell your customers good products and good items. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was another just short hitter, just a short video showing you guys my print on demand company that I use. I will reveal the print on demand company, or show you how the print on demand company works when you're starting to design your products. So hopefully you guys will subscribe, continue to be patient with me, continue to tune into these videos. We are all entrepreneurs, and if my mistakes or if my experiences can help some other entrepreneurs out there get off to a fast start, why not? So once again, please take the time to subscribe, like the video, stay tuned. All right, average entrepreneur fam, I'm going to have some bonus footage at the end, just kind of showing you guys a little bit more detail of the stitching and more detail of the items that I spoke about previously. So make sure you tune into that, or you can just click the video off here. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to throw a thumbs up on this video if you like the content.